Shall we do another bird song?
Please, please, can we do the one about the parrot?
I know one that's got a parrot in it.
I know it's called Old Maid in the Garret, but it's really about a parrot.
Ah, yes, of course. How foolish of me.
I have often heard it said by my father and my mother that going to a wedding is the making of another. If this be so, then I'll go without a bidding. Kind Providence, won't you send me to a wedding? And it's oh dear me, oh it's me if I die and old me in the garret. Now there's my sister Jean, she's not handsome or good looking, scarcely 15, and the fella she was 14. Now she's 24, she's a son and a daughter. Here am I at 44, and I've never had an offer, and it's oh dear me. How will it be if I die and old me in the garret? I can cook and I can sew, I can keep the house right tidy, rise up in the morning and get the breakfast ready. There's nothing in this wild world to make my heart so cheery as a wee fat man. Call me his O'Leary, and it's oh dear me. How will it be if I die and old me in the garret? Oh, come landsmen, come houndsmen, come tinker or come tailor, come fiddler, come dancer, come plowman or come sailor, come rich man, come poor man, come tall or come witty, come any man at all, won't you ferry out to pity, and it's oh dear me. How will it be if I die and old me in the garret? Now I'm away at home, 'cause there's nobody heeding, poor old Annie's pleading. I'm away at home in my own wee bit garret. If I can't find a man, then I'll surely get a parrot, and it's oh dear me. How will it be if I die and old me in the garret?